Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will make a different style shoes. So let me start. I am using 1.50 mm and a yarn. First of all, we will chain 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I made my 53 chain. Now I will make a half double crochet in the third one third chain and make single crochet in all half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of this line. See, so make double crochet in every stitch to the end. Now I finished my this line. Now chain 2, 1, 2 and turn your work, and in the next chain make half double crochet and make it till to the end. Half double crochet in every each stitch and make it till to the end of this line like this. Now I finished my second row. Now I will make same row 9 times. This one 1, 2 and make 7 more rows of half double crochet, and it will be 5 inches. No, sorry, 5 centimeter. Now I finished my 9th row. This is about 5 centimeter and 9 rows. So I will cut the yarn and use another color. So now fold it together like this. Fold it together. Now 14 from this side, 14 chain and 14 chain from this side. I will use dark purple. No, sorry, first of all I will make single crochet chain all till to the end. So make single crochet till to the end like this. Single crochet in all stitches till to the end, till here. Now I finished my single crochet in all stitches. Now I will double it, and now this time I will half double crochet in 14 chains here and half double crochet 14 chains here. So this is my wrong side. Now I will chain 2 and start my work. Half double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and last 14. Now chain 2 and again make double crochet into the 14 stitches and do this for 3 times. This is my first, this second, and do third one. Now I did my 3 rows of half double crochet here. Now I will cut the yarn and make it tight. Cut it. Now I will start my work from this side this side. Now insert my hook into the first stitch and I will do half double crochet in 14 stitches in this side too. Now I did my 14 stitches half double crochet from this side to this. Now I will chain 15 chain. I will chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 and one more 16. Now in the third one make half double crochet and do it till to the end of this line. In all stages make half double crochet. Now I did my half double crochet and now I will continue my half double crochet into the next stitches, next 14 stitches. Now chain 2 and again make half double crochet to the till to here, till to this end. Now I finished my half double crochet here. Now I will chain 1 2 3 4 5. This is my buttonhole. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn and make it tight. Like this. Now I took my needle and start from this side, make it tight here like this. Now insert your needle into stitches, in all stitches of single crochet till to the next end. Now little bit tight, not too much tight, little bit tight. Now make it tight here. Now cut the yarn and change your thread here. I will use white for white one. I will start, oh sorry, I will sew this too. Okay, now start with white color and stitch it like this. When you reach to this end, now insert your needle into the stitches like before. Like this, and pull it tight, pull tight, and now stitch it again. Now cut it. Cut the extras. Now again I forgot this side, this one. Now cute little boot is ready. See, this is, you will put a button over here